What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but you know, been busy doing my own thing, work, all that bullshit. So today I'm gonna actually kind of prep for Wekfest. Everyone's been prepping for Wekfest, like the homie Ivan, Calvin. They've been painting their cars. Well, Ricky's been painting them, and then doing some other stuff for Wekfest, which is next week. But all I have been doing is just leaving the car in the garage. Yeah, I've been leaving the car just in the garage. There's really none of the parts are coming in anytime soon, so right now I'm just gonna have to deal with it like this. But right now I'm about to check both of the rear upper control arms, the TCSs, to make sure that they're all tightened, so when I go to LA everything's perfectly fine. And for the rear lip, Ricky's gonna paint that this week and hopefully get it done before Wekfest, because Wekfest is literally next Sunday, but we have to be there Saturday to stage the cars and leave them there. We also are gonna get an Airbnb, shout out to Ivan for getting it, and we're gonna party. But anyways, guys, I'll update you guys on all that when the day actually comes. It'll actually be really fun. But I also have an update on the Wagon. I ordered the coils, and the coils should be here by next week, next Wednesday. So there's gonna be a lot of shit coming in for the Wagon, and I already have the JZX arms, so that's good. I haven't got rear upper control arms because I don't know if I'm gonna run rear camber for the Wagon because I daily it. But I also did get new wheels. I actually got new wheels for the Wagon so that it can actually look good lowered on some wheels, you know? And I was thinking about going 3-piece, but like I said, I was gonna daily this, and I kind of wanted beater wheels too, but they're not really beater wheels. I actually bought them brand new. I want to say a shout out to Carbon Designs for giving me the Sprints, brand new, in bronze, and the door just closed. In bronze, and I want to shout out to the homie Jay, Static J. He's the one with the red Civic on BBS RS's. Shout out to him for hooking up with the semi brand new tires, just a little bit camber wear, and yeah, I got some new Federals, kind of new, but anyways, the specs are 18 by 9.5 plus 22, actually perfect for like a daily, a little bit camber, and yeah, the tires are 215/40, not much stretch, but a little bit stretch. But I know these will clear for sure because I ran a lot of wheels on the other IS before. You know, I had so many ISs, I already know like the specs for it. So the fronts are 18 by 10 on these, and plus 6, and the rears are 18 by 11 plus 16. But yeah, so but I'm running a lot of camera on that thing, so obviously it's gonna clear. Yeah, I also want to shout out Auto Couture for actually putting on the tires for me at last minute, and yeah, I kind of did this all like last minute, and yeah, they're actually really good wheels if you just want to daily them. And yeah, I didn't really want to get real one-piece wheels, nothing too serious yet for the Wagon, but for now it's just reps, you know. I mean, of course, a lot of people make fun of rep wheels and how they're really shitty, but to be honest, I started off with rep wheels, and I don't really talk shit on it because I used to have them, and now I have them again. But I do love these wheels. They will hopefully look good on the Wagon, but fingers crossed. So I just took off the wheel. Got a little bit of rashes on the lip, but yeah, this is a 18 by 11 plus 16 with a 225/40 tire on it. And I run Delentes because Delentes are my favorite tires. And look at my coil over. Fucking. It's all fucking making noises. And if you guys didn't know, the actual coil, the CX racing coil on here is actually blown. I think the rears are blown for sure. If you guys can hear this. Check it out. Yeah. Yeah, that shit's actually like blown. But yeah, look at all the rashes from the coil, hitting the coil. This wheel is actually fucking huge. Hold on, let me move all this shit out of the way so I can put it down. Fuck, almost dropped it. Ugh. Fucking massive. But alright. I should put a wheel underneath so I don't die. And this rear bumper's still fucked up. And that's where it's hitting my coil. It's still making noises. So I'm gonna check if this rear upper control arm is loose, because it tends to get loose when there's like a lot of vibration and, you know, the bolts will just honestly just come off. Because it came off before I bought these wheels, and that's pretty bad. It'll fuck up your toe, and you could also crash. One of our homie Calvin, he actually crashed because his arm got loose and broke off or whatever. But yeah, it's pretty tight. That side's good. Just want to make sure. I also run Megan toe arms, if you guys didn't know. Megan toe arms, rear, TCS rear upper control arms, and CX racing coils, 1412K. You guys didn't know that to all the new subscribers, but this arm looks pretty tight. I don't have a big enough wrench for the bottom, but it seems pretty good. So yeah, that's good. I actually want to see how these wheels, the carbon design wheels, look on the IS right now. So I'm gonna test fit it out, see how it looks. This is a 9.5 now, the other one's 11. So I'm pretty sure it'll fit, but it'll probably look broken as hell. I actually want to see how it looks. Just put them on. Dude, they look super small on here, but it is an 18.5. I mean, 18 by 9.5. So let's check it out. I got a shitty ass jack. Jesus, that thing looks broken. Look how fucking small that wheel looks. I'm gonna start making it adjust on. You hear that? Fucking. Hey, my coilover's fucked up. But holy shit, these wheels are so small. Check out the gap. The wheel gap. They look pretty cool though, if they were wider. They do sell at 18 by 10.5 plus 20, 25 I think. But yeah, they look fucking broken comparing to the side. Fitted. Is it fitted though? This is why I tell you guys should always check your shit before you drive. This arm is actually really loose. So I need to get another wrench down here to hold the bolt because it's spinning with the whole thing. So yeah, you guys should always check your arms if they're loose, your toe arms and your coils, especially your PSI on your wheels. If it goes below a certain amount, you will debead, and especially 3-piece wheels. So you guys should always check on that. But yeah, this arm is actually really loose. Let me see if you guys can see that. See it actually turning? That's a no-no. I need to get another wrench to hold it so it can tighten. This is actually the first time taking off the rear bumper. Piece of shit. I've never seen her like this. God damn. See how like camber though. I put it inside the trunk. Oh, I was like, where's the fucking wheel? But yeah. I took off the rear fender lining. It usually goes like right here. This one was already off, but the other side, it didn't take off. But it was rubbing my wheel right here. Pretty bad, so there'll be great clearance.
Fuck your vlog.
There's Gus from the motherland.
Let's play dodgeball.
Fuck your vlog. Fuck Icy.
Yeah, so fuck this. Fuck! Oh yeah, and by the way, Bob, shout out to Bob for letting me borrow another MR2. This one actually has a cleaner paint job. And everything's electronic and it's 5-speed. Bet! I'm gonna take the car to Dallas's because the right side isn't as tight as it should be. But yeah, I need to get that tightened, and something's wrong with like the way we were tightening it. Like we have to lift it up or something. And my jack that I have is pretty sketch, so we're gonna go to Dallas's and check that out. But other than that, fuck dude. I'm kinda getting late for Wekfest. Or prepping too late, but everything, shit happens, you know? And then fucking, I don't even know when Ricky's gonna paint the lid. So Dallas found out the problem. So this arm keeps spinning, and we were trying to tighten it, but it doesn't let us tighten. But if it, as you guys can see right here, there's like a missing, there's like a spacer on it, like this bottom right here. Shut up, Gus. And then show them this one, how it has it at the top. Oh, this one's all fucked. This is the Dallas's fucked up one. Yeah, you can see the top has one. That little space right there. But yeah, that's why it's not tightening and it just keeps spinning. But yeah, fucked up. So what we need is that piece, right? Point it, Eric. Okay, or I'll point it. This piece right here.
Wait, shine the light.
So this is Dallas's old shit.
Got it on this side too.
And let's go check if this side has it.
Oh, it
yeah,
does.
this side does have it.
I was right.
Yeah, you are right. That's why Sally Garage, bro. So yeah, this side. This is Dallas's fucked up bent one. And yeah. Yeah, I gave it to you, right?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay, cool. So we need it right here. Oh shit.
I guess this is what failed on Calvin.
It broke off or what?
Yeah, it like popped through.
Damn.
I don't know how. Rip.
Camber's dangerous, boys and girls. Well, Dallas just loosened the top, and we just need to put that little spacer in.
Alright, actually just go grab the jack, the other jack for me.
And jack it up?
Yeah, or just flex out, hold it.
And the stud right there. So yeah, you have to have the adapter if you have the TCS. If you don't got that, shit gonna keep spinning. Shout out
to pop off, homie.
Shout out to Salad for finding that out.
Yeah, for real.
It's the smallest things that could fuck up anything.
Yeah, cause see, it's got a sandwich that beach.
Yeah, just remember that the smallest things do matter. Always got the spare parts.
Oh.
What? The wrench is stuck?
Yeah. Well, you shouldn't have left it.
Fuck. The axle's in the way. Fucking A.
Wait, I think I almost got it. No, I don't got it.
Rectum. Oh, there you go. Well, yep. Everything's good. Shout out to Dallas. Everything's tightened now. The adapter has to be there, boys and girls. And yeah. So, yeah, that little thing turned into like 3 hours. So she's almost ready. Just need to get that rear bumper done. Paint is looking clean. Right now I'm pumping up the tires. I usually run 50 to 55 PSI. It's kind of high, but usually you shouldn't go below 40 because you could DB. So that's another thing you should look out for, because I'm driving at least an hour and a half away to downtown LA. So yeah, so you gotta watch out so your tire doesn't get flat, and then you're fucked. You're screwed. But yeah, so just check the PSI on your tires, your arms. You should always check your arms. You can check your coilovers. I don't know, just like little things like that. Because little things, as you can see, the rear upper control arm was pretty bad. But yeah, the little things do mess up your car. What's up, everyone? Just got back home from Dallas's. I just want to give a big shout out to Dallas for finding out that little thing for the rear upper control arms so we could tighten it. Thanks, bro. And yeah, so she's back in, and I still haven't talked to Ricky yet. I talked to him yesterday when we were painting Ivan's car, but he's gonna paint the rear lip on this bumper, but I'm gonna see if he could try to paint the whole bumper, but I don't know yet, because if you guys seen this, I had this since I had the car. The previous owner, his wife ran into the garage or something, backed into the garage, and then he left his parking sticker on here, and then the day I bought it, I ripped it off, and yep, it's still there, and the rear lip has never been painted. So there's little things I need to get fixed, but that's one of my big pet peeves that I want to get done. I don't want to say pet peeve, but like something that bothers me the most, you know. And other than that, I just need to wash the car, wax it, probably do a little wheel shine. But other than that, everything's great. Everything's ready to go. Just need to get the bumper. And yeah, but this is the first time I've ever seen my car actually with no rear bumper. Believe it or not, I've never taken off the rear bumper. So, and that was my first time, and we've taken off Dallas's millions of times because he drifts the damn car. But yeah, first time taking off the rear bumper. If you guys want to know how, it's basically there's a slot right here that you need to slide out, and then there's a screw right here. There's basically the 4 screws, 4 10mm, like one right here, 2 here, and then one right on the right side, same thing. And then of course there's one screw up here, and then you have to take out these tabs that I showed you guys earlier right there. It's usually just pins. They're not screws, but they're pins. And you gotta take that out, and basically it just comes off. And then you have to be careful with there's a plug for the rear side marker lights. So yeah, that's how you take off the rear bumper. So it's pretty easy. And then I took out both of the liners because, oh yeah, and my wheel doesn't rub as much anymore. So that's a plus. But anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope those little like tips helped you out if you guys are gonna be traveling far for having like a low car. There's always a lot of vibrations, so you want to always check your arms before you leave and make sure they're always tight. Check your lugs, of course, and then tire pressure. The PSIs, always make sure they're like 40 and up. I usually keep up the rear's 55 and the front's 50. And other than that, that's pretty much the prep that I need to do. But anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video. Later next week, I will update you guys what's going on with the wagon, because I should be getting the coilovers next week. I don't know if I'm going to put them on because there's a lot of things going on, like Wekfest is coming up, and I need to clean up the car, every little single detail of it. And then, yeah, I'll probably update you guys, and that'll be it. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for all the new subscribers, and of course, thank you for the OGs. See you guys next time.